What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Paulie C with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning, and you're here for another review of one of our subscribers and loyal followers. As you could see, this is from Clifford. He said, not to get too long, if you remember what I said in your YouTube comment on how much and what I use, this was a smaller size master bedroom and a walk-in closet. Goes on to say that it's 16-year-old, some damaged fiber, and he used the SIBO Duo bonnets with the scrubbing strips, vacuumed. You can read through that. I've got it on here long enough so that if you want to read line by line, you could do that. And basically, you're going to be looking at a pretty incredible transformation. I've done these light blue, older style carpets, and they hold that gray soil like on the surface. Wait till you see the pictures. I did reply back to his email and asked him if he could give us a little bit of a breakdown, because I know sometimes my viewers like to see what it was that they used to get the results. So he said, I'll give you a breakdown, and he's basically using an Oric vacuum cleaner, a DeWalt 2-gallon pump-up sprayer, a SIBO Duo, that's the CRB style agitation machine, the Oric Orbital, a fully modified Velcro pad driver, and then the microfiber pads with the scrubbing strips, followed with some Gladiator pads. So anyway, I asked for that. I appreciate him giving us the update. Now let's check out these results and see what we got. And again, it's strange when you see the before and after, but this is what happens. I even have a video with a similar style carpet. This is a beige carpet. If you look back in the far upper corner, you can see where it's kind of a darker shade. This gray surface area is soil load. It is just impregnated with soil and traffic and dirt and dust. And then after he cleaned it using all the proper steps and equipment and Green Dragon, of course, look at that. Oh my gosh, that is an ocean of blue. It's like I'm out here at the Puget Sound watching the orcas out here in the state of Washington. Woohoo! And look at those triangles. My goodness, he post vacuums. So that Oric vacuum is doing work. Good job. And then you'll see here, this is the hallway. Same thing, a little bit lighting, in this area is off, but you could see all the soil load through the center. And we'll take a look at the after results. And I will mention Clifford, not sure what he goes by, but he used to be in the commercial turf business, and now he's switched over. And look at that. Oh my goodness. I think if you read in the comments, he'll tell you what his username means. This is the big dog. So hey, Clifford, we appreciate your sending me the photos for review. When people see you tagged in the comments, I hope they give you a big shout out and say hello. And again, any of my loyal followers and subscribers that have before and after results like this from using the same methods that I use and the same products that I use, you're definitely welcome to shoot me a couple pics to my email. My email address is always found on my channel under the About tab. So there you go. Another fantastic job by one of our loyal followers. Big shout out, and look for my next episode.